Okay, so what we wanted to look at is how we would uh, get um, bowls results fixtures for a team into a Google Calendar. This is what we were talking about at the event the other day, and I said I could demonstrate for you. So you essentially find the team that you're referring to. So in this case, let's look at RSJCB, which is a team I bowl in, and we want to go to, at the top here, all team fixtures. See here on the top left, all team fixtures. This is from this view, and then you want to pick the team, which is down here, RSJCB, and from this view you can do something which exports all these fixtures as a file which you can then import into Google Calendar essentially. So if I press that, the iCal file has been created, but at the moment it's still on the website, so I need to download the file. So that has downloaded the file there. Then what you would do, you go to your Google Calendar. So if you've got a Google Mail or a Gmail account, you will have a calendar. You can find it just by going up to from Gmail or whatever and using this Google Apps menu here, and then you go to calendar. There you go, that takes you to the calendar. Then you want to find on the left there is a list of your calendars, because you might have different kinds of calendars attached there, and you find the RSJC one here, or whatever you called yours obviously, and you click on the little menu item there and you go to settings and sharing. And then you've got all kinds of settings, but the one you want is at the top where it says import and export on the top left. And here it says import. So you go to select file from your computer. It will bring up a menu, at which point you find the correct file. And having selected the file that has been downloaded from the Bowls Results website, this grayed out box here that says import will then be black so that you can click it. You click it and it will tell you that it's imported, 14 items into your calendar, so which will, or whatever, however many fixtures there are for that particular team. And then all you need to do is do exactly that same process for every team that you've got, and what you will find is they look a bit like this. You might need to, I think some of the evening leagues are, some of the morning over 60s leagues have got the wrong time, so you might need to drag them up and down. You can just click one of these and drag them up and down. But for example here, this is one of the Thursday A team's fixtures, and what it does actually is it imports a name of the green as well as the correct time, hopefully, and all of this bit here that's completed Thursday with all B versus Rubery SJCA, that's all just come from that document that's from those fixtures that have imported, so you don't need to enter any of that, so it's doing it all for you. Of course, if your games get rained off or anything like that or moved around, you'll need to kind of drag them around to wherever they end up, but let's put that back there for now because that is going to happen. And what it then means is that you can then share this calendar with your members. Now let me just remind myself how we do this. So calendar settings, so you would go back to the settings again, calendar settings, and shared with, so you would click shared with here where it says make available to public. You would click get shareable link, copy link, and what you can do is you can put that link into your club's WhatsApp group or your Facebook group or whatever it is you use to share internal things like that, and it'll mean your members can actually not only see that calendar, but they'll be able to add it to their own Google Calendar if they use Google Calendar on their phones or their laptops or whatever. Okay.